Baked creamy curry black noodle tuna casserole is easy to assemble using a very simple recipe and truly delicious. On top of that, the curry also helps to kill the fishy tuna smell. Let's start!
Not coconut cream, but Campbell mushroom soup. Campbell mushroom soup is our secret. Let's break the noodle. Break it. Boil them until al dente.
Now we make the curry paste. 2 tablespoons garlic chili oil. Watch this video if you want the recipe. 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon fennel powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Add water to create a paste. Fry until the oil separates.
Turn to fragrant.
Add more water until it forms a creamy sauce consistency. 1 tablespoon honey or sugar.
Pour curry paste into casserole. Pour in 1 can of Campbell mushroom soup. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Can of tuna brine without oil. Yep. Yeah. There you go. Yep. Mix it well. Yeah. Sprinkle some curry leaf. Yeah. Let's mix again. 4 tablespoons of pea. And in the black noodle. Let's cover and put into oven. And bake for 20 minutes.
Subscribe to our noodle channel.
See you next week. Thanks for watching.